Want to permanently delete your PayPal account? Whether you're switching services or just cleaning up your digital life, this video has you covered. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps in under 2 minutes. Let's go. First, open your browser and log into your PayPal account. Make sure you're on a desktop or laptop, because this option is not available on the mobile app. Once you're logged in, click on the settings icon. That's the gear icon in the top right corner of the page. From there, go to the account tab and scroll all the way down until you see the option that says close your account. Click on it. PayPal will ask you to confirm a few things, like making sure your balance is 0 and that you have no pending transactions. If everything's clear, hit continue. Finally, confirm your decision and your account will be permanently closed. You'll receive a confirmation email from PayPal shortly after. Just a heads up, once your account is deleted, it cannot be recovered. So make sure you've withdrawn any remaining balance before you proceed. And that's it, quick and simple. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more clean, straight to the point tutorials. See you in the next one.